Morning on the farm. We're going to tell a story with our hopes. It is a story about morning time on a farm. Copy what I do and help me tell the story. Early one morning, Chicken was sitting in her nest box. Soon she began to lay an egg. She pushed and pushed until out popped a perfect brown egg. After that, the sun came up. And this woke up the farmer. The farmer put on his trousers and his shirt and his hat. Then he went outside, got on his tractor and began to drive around the farm. Once he had fed the pigs and the dog and the chickens, he stuck his head into the hen house to see if there were any eggs for breakfast. The farmer saw the lovely brown egg that the chicken had laid and put it in his pocket. Then he drove his tractor back to the farmhouse to have the egg on toast for breakfast.